my topic is believe in ourselves. What is believe in ourselves? Belief is nothing but the faith we have in ourselves. I would like to share few points or few instances where we lack in believing in ourselves, or what to tell, self-confidence. Firstly is, most of the time we take up a task, but due to fear and insecurity of fear, we give it up. Till date, we have seen much of the more motivational videos in this conference room. The key factor that we notice in each of them is the self-belief they had in themselves. Do you think they didn't fail many a times? They too had failed. Fail itself tells that,
That's okay. That's okay.
First attempt in learning. So let's all learn. Next, most of us are talented here. None of us are not talented. Sorry, most of us are talented, but we doesn't come forward thinking that I may not do good. So let's not have that attitude. We'll come forward because we can do that. And one thing why we compare ourselves with others is also the matter. Let's not compare ourselves, because each one is unique. Each one have their own unique talent. Maybe I may be good in something else and others can be good in something else. So let's not compare with others with us. And another thing is, we stick on to the past experiences. Most of the time we would have taken a task and could have not completed it successfully. The reason could be that we would have not made the planning properly or executed it properly. So that doesn't mean that this time which I am going to take the task will go in vain. So let's not think about that. We'll think of the future and give the best in the present. And if you have self-confident and believe in yourself, you don't need any external factors. Somebody has to motivate you, or somebody has to give you positive thinking that you have to do. If you believe in yourself, nothing you need. You can do it by yourself. And how can we see success as? Success is not that not failing. It just shows that how you bounce back once you fail. And let the desire for the success be the greater than this fear for the small failure. And I would like to tell everybody that tell yourself this: the only person who can put me down is I myself. Let me tell ourselves, I am not going to put me down anymore. If not we, who else can do that? Believe in yourself, give your best, the rest will be taken care of.